My name is Hassan Hussein Rasul. I am a mathematics teacher in Global Education Center. I'm teaching mathematics by a class, and also I have a private lesson in here. Today I'm going to show you one lesson about various forms of equation of the line with my student, Mr. Muhammad. Now we are going to start our lesson, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. We have chapter 2, section what? Section 3, yes. Section 3 is about what? Various forms of the equation of a line, yes. In the last lesson we learned about linear equation, yes, and you know what is the equation. Now we have various forms. It means we have different form of equation, okay. First of all, I'm going to show you briefly about 4 types of equation line, okay. First one is what? Slope, intercept, yes, intercept form. It means we have slope and intercept, okay. The equation is, the form is y is equal to mx plus b, okay. Y is equal to mx plus b. M is what? What is the m? M is slope, yes?
Yes.
Okay. B is what? B is y intercepted. Y intercepted, it means x is 0. It means 0 and y, yes? Okay. This is the first one, slope intercept form, okay? Second one, we have what? We have point slope form, okay? Point slope form. Point slope form, it means we have one point and one slope, okay? And the form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. This is the form of point slope form. Also in here we have m. M is what? M is slope, good. And we have one point, P is x1 and what? y1, x1, y1, this is the point, okay? Third one, we have 2-point form. 2-point form. 2-point form, it means we have 2 points, okay? The form is y minus y1 is equal to, okay, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. Now we have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We wrote this one instead of m. It means m is, we have a rule for m, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is an m. And we have 2 points. Point 1 is what? x1, y1. Point 2 is x2, y2. Okay, we have 2 points. The last one we have, the fourth one, is general form. General form. General form is means, what the general form? Ax, yes, plus by is equal to c. This is the general form of line equation. It means we have ax, a and b is coefficient, yes, ax plus by equal to c, okay. Now we have 4 types of line equation. We are going to start the first one, slope intercept form, okay. This is page 1, okay. Slope intercept form. We have an example for slope intercept form. Yes, intercept form. Y means y equal to mx plus b. This is the y intercepted form. Okay. M is what? Slope. Yes. B is what? Y intercepted. Okay. We are going to show you some examples. Okay. In the book we have example 1. Example 1, identify the slope and y-intercept for each linear equation. Identify slope and what? And y-intercept. Okay, example 1, we have y equal to 3x minus 4. Okay, What's the m in this line? M is equal to what? 3. Good. B is equal to what? Minus 4. Very good. A, B, we have y equal to minus 5 x plus 3. Okay, m is equal to minus 5 because the coefficient with x is m, yes, the slope. And what about b? B is a real number, is equal to 3. Okay, example C, we have y equal to 5, just 5. So we don't have a m, yes? So it means it comes from y equal to 0x plus 5, yes? Because 0x is equal to 0, so it just remains y equal to 5. So m is equal to 0, b is equal to 5. Very good, okay? This is the example 1. Now we have try this also. We have to solve this one. Try this in page 67. Identify the slope, also the y-intercept. Y equal to 2x minus 8. Okay, what about the m? M is equal to what? M equal to 2. B is equal to minus 8. I'm going to show you some more example. Okay, this one according to A. B, y equal to, for example, 5x. Okay, m is equal to what? 5. M equal to 5 because the coefficient of x is m. So what about b? Have we have b? No, it means 0. So it comes from y equal to 5x plus or minus 0. Yes? Okay. Example C, y equal to 5 minus 4x. Okay. What about slope? M is equal to what? 4. Oh, but we have negative, so it means we have negative 4. And b is 5. Yes? The last example D, y equal to, for example, 8. Okay, y equal to 8. So m is equal to what? Have the x? No. Yes. So m equal to 0. B is equal to 8. Okay, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, this is the first form of line equation, slope intercept form. Okay, have you a problem in this one? No. Okay, good. Now we are going to study second form. Okay, second form is, the second one is what? Slope point form. Yes, slope point form. We have slope point form. It means we have one slope, yes, one slope, and we have one point 1. Yes. What about the formulas? Formulas is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. You have to know this form. Okay, you have to memorize. You have to understand this form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So m is what in here? M again is slope. Yes. What about point 1? Point 1 is x1 y1. Okay, x1 y1. Okay. Okay, this is the second form of the line equation. Okay, this is good. We are going to study example 2, okay, to understand this form. Example 2, write an equation of the line with the slope. Write equation, okay? It means we have to find the equation. With what? With the slope. It means slope is equal to minus 2, yes? That what? That passes through the point 1 and minus 1. Okay, it means we have 1 point 1 minus 1 and find the equation that pass through this point. Okay, find this line pass through this point. Okay, okay, it means we have one slope, we have one point, slope point, so we have to use this form, okay, to find the equation. We have one slope, we have one point, it means slope point. Yes, so we have to use this form. Okay, y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. Why we use this form? Because we have slope and point, okay? Slope and point, that's why we will use this form. Okay, substitute slope and point, yes, in the form. Okay, y minus y1, this one is x1, this one is y1, yes, y minus y1, y minus minus 1, yes, equal to m is minus 2 times x minus x1, x1 is 1, okay? So negative times negative positive, it means y plus 1, yes, is equal to negative 2 times x, negative 2x, negative 2 times negative 1 is equal to positive 2. Now we are going to arrange to slope intercept form. So we have to change the place of 1, yes? So it is positive, it becomes to negative, good. So y is equal to negative 2x plus 2 minus 1. So y is equal to negative 2x, 2 minus 1 is equal to positive 1. So this is the equation of the line that passed through this point, okay? So slope is what in here? Slope is minus 2. So in here we have negative 2. This slope is unchanged because it is a line, okay? Did you understand? Okay, by this form we found what? We found the equation of the line in form of slope intercept form, okay? This is the example one. If you draw a graph randomly, okay? We have 1 and minus 1, we have x1, y minus 1, it means we have 1 point, okay? This line is passed through this one because the slope is negative in this direction, this line, that, okay? This line is y equal to minus 2x plus 1, and this point is what? Is 1 and minus 1, okay? We found this line that passed through this point, okay? This is page 2. Now we have tried this, we will solve also. Try this one. You have to help me to solve, okay? Write an equation with the slope is what? 3, that pass through the point of, and point is minus 2 minus 1, okay? Okay, we have slope and point, okay?
Yes.
Which type of form we will use to find the equation? This one is point slope form, yes? Point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, okay? Just substitution. Y minus, as we know, this one x1, this one y1, okay? So y minus y1, y1 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 is become to plus 1, yes? So equal to m is what? Minus 2 times x minus 2 is become to plus 2. Is it easy?
Yes.
Yeah, of course. Easy for you. Y plus 1 equal to, we have to multiply inside the bracket.
Yes.
So minus 2 times x minus 2x minus 2 times 2 is equal to minus 4. And we have to what? We have to change the place of 1. So y is equal to minus 2x minus 4. Positive 1 become to negative 1. So y is equal to negative 2x minus 5. Okay? This is what kind of form? This is slope intercept form. And this one is the equation of the line with the slope is minus 2. Okay? We will make minus 2 because we use it minus 2. Okay? Okay, we solved this one also. Now, did you understand this form and the equations? Okay, now we are going to study the third form. Okay, what about third form? Is 2.4. 2.4. It means we have how many points? 2 points. Point 1 is what? X1 and y1. What about point 2? Point 2 is x2 and y2. What about the form? Form is y minus y1 equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 times what? Times x minus x1. To solve this one, I will show you. You have to solve by two steps. It is better and easier for you. Okay. First of all, find m. Find m. It means slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay. Use this one. Second one. Okay. Use this one. Y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. Because this one is a little bit complicated for you for calculation, okay? This one we can solve by two steps. You can find the equation of line by two steps. First one, find m. Second one, use this form y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1, okay? For understanding, I will show you one example. It's example 3, okay? You have 2.3, 2, okay, and 5, 3, okay? Write the equation of line that passes through the 2 point, this point, okay, 3, 2 and 5, 3, okay. We have 2 points, so we have to solve by two steps. First of all, we have to find what? First of all, we have to find m. M, it means slope, yes? So m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You have to memorize the slope, okay? So write down x1, y1, x2, y2. You can write down x2, x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, no problem. So this one is equal to y2, 3, minus y1, 2, over x2, 5, minus x1, 3. Good. So m is equal to 3 minus 2, 1, 5 minus 3, 2. M is equal to 1 over 2. We found what? We found m. Next one, this one. First, second one, we will use this rule. Y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. This point, slope point 4. So y minus, what about x1, y1? This one. Also you can use this one, no problem. Okay, y minus y1 is equal to, y1 is 2, okay, equal to m, 1 over 2, we found it before, x minus x1 is equal to 3, good. We have a fraction, slope is a fraction, 1 over 2, yes? So for more easier, multiply this one in the bracket and multiply this one in the side, okay? So 2 times y, 2y, minus 2 times 2, 4, equal to 1 times x, 1 times negative 3, negative 3. So we can move, yes, 2y is equal to x minus 3 positive plus 4, positive 4, good. So 2y is equal to x negative 3 plus 4 plus 1. But in here we have 2y. So we need in this form mx plus b. It means coefficient of y is 1. So we have to divide by what? 2. By 2. All by 2. Yes? We have to divide by 2. So we have a cancellation. So y is equal to x over 2. It means 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2. The slope is 1 over 2. Also in here we have slope 1 over 2. This is what? This is the line that passes through this point. Okay? You understand? This is 2-point form. Okay? Okay. We have the last one. We have general form. Okay? First one. We have general form. General form of the line equation. General form, as I told you, ax plus by is equal to c. Okay? C might be 0. C maybe it is 0, no problem. But A and b can't be 0. It is not equal to 0. Okay? Okay. It means this one is just a number, real number. It can be a 0. But a and b, because the coefficient of variables a, x, and y can't be 0. Okay? So in here we have just arrangement. We have slope-intercept form or two-point form, or we have slope point form. You can arrange to general form. Okay? Now we are going to study example. Okay? Example 3. Example 3. Write the line equation in general form. Write what? The line equation. The line equation in the general form. Okay? It means arrange to the general form. A, we have y equal to minus 2x plus 3. General form is ax plus by equal to c. This is what general form. It means we have to arrange ax and then by is equal to coefficient c. Okay? Okay. This one is not arrangement. Yes? We have to arrange. So first of all we have to change the place 2x. Yes? So minus 2x become to positive 2x. 2x. Y also plus y is equal to 3. Good. But we have to, it's better to change the coefficient of x for what? For 1. Okay? So we have to divide by what? 2. Yes? It is better to divide by 2. So we have cancellation. X plus y over 2, it means 1 over 2y is equal to 3 over 2. So when ax by equal to c. So is it a general form? Is it a general form? This one? Yes, it is a general form. Why? Because this one a x by equal to c. So this is just arrangement. Okay, first of all a x, second one y is equal to number. Okay, like that. X y equal to number. Just arrangement. Okay, example b. Now I am solving all example for you, but exercises you must solve for me. Okay? Okay. B, we have x equal to negative 13, y equal to 4. Okay? Okay. First of all we have x. What about y? This one is x. Okay? Yes. But y is in other side. Yes? Yes. We have to change a place. Yes. So x negative 31 become to what?
Negative 13 positive 13.
Positive 13 y is equal to 4. Is it a general form? Yes, it's a general form. C, don't laugh, okay? C, we have 3 over 4 x minus 2 is equal to 3 y. This one is x, is a coefficient, this one is a y. So we have to change what? The place of 3y, yes, to other side. So 3 over 4 x, yes, yes. 3y becomes what?
Positive.
This one is positive, become to negative 3y, yes. And also we have to change the place of negative 2. So it's negative 2, yes. Okay. Now we have 3 over 4x, yes.
Yes.
So we have to multiply by what? We have to multiply the inverse of this one. 3 over 4, it means 4 over 3. Yes. Okay, times 4 over 3 times 4 over 3. We have to multiply by all terms, okay? All of them. So, cancel, yes. It becomes to x. 4 times 3, or we can cancellation this one by this one. It becomes to negative 4, y equal to negative 4 times, negative 2 times 4, negative 8 over 3. Good? Is it a general form? X, y equal to number, real number. Is it a general form?
Yes.
Yes, good. This one is a general form. Okay. This one is example 3. And we have example 4 also. Example 4. Write the line equation in slope-intercept form. Write what? Write the line equation in what? slope intercept form. It means in here you have to know all type of forms. We studied 4 type of forms. You have to know. This one, write the line equation in what? In slope intercept form. It means y equal to mx plus b. Okay? Okay. A, we have 2y minus 2x equal to 6. Remain y in the left side, all other in the right side. Okay? Now we need y alone, so we have to change the place x. Yes, 2y is equal to negative 2x becomes what?
Positive 2.
Positive 2x plus 6. But in here coefficient of y is 1, so we have to divide by what? By
2.
2. Yes,
By 2.
good.
And
We have a cancellation. Y is equal to 2 over 2 also cancellation, x 6 over 2, 3. This is y equal to mx plus b. This is the form of slope intercept form. Okay, is it easy?
Yes.
Yeah, b we have b 6x plus 4y equal to 4. Also, we have to change what? X to other side. So 4y equal to positive 6x become to negative 6x. Yes, plus what? Plus 4. Plus 4. The last example. Okay, 4y equal to negative 6 plus 4. So we have 4. So we have to divide by what? 4. Y is equal to, divide by 2 is negative 3 over 2x plus 4 over 4 is equal to 1. This is what is a form of what? Slope intercept form. Now we studied all type of formulas and all examples. Now we are going to exercises, but you should solve all exercises. Okay, exercises. Okay, A. Okay, solve. You solve. Okay, example 1. Kapatabilirsin.